This fasting switch ends insulin resistance in days, not years. Most people think insulin resistance takes months, even years, to reverse. But that's not true. Inside your body, there's a hidden fasting switch that can reset insulin sensitivity in just days. It's not a supplement or new diet. It's a natural switch your body was built with. And when you turn it back on, everything changes. Insulin resistance isn't just about high blood sugar. It's a deeper communication problem between your cells and your hormones. Your body stops hearing insulin's signal. And that's when fat stores, energy crashes, and hunger never really goes away. It's frustrating because you're doing everything right, but your body isn't responding. Scientists have discovered this broken communication can be fixed surprisingly fast. Once you activate what's called AMPK, the body's master energy switch. Here's what happens for most people. They eat healthy, they work out, they even try fasting, but nothing really changes. Why? Because their AMPK switch is still off. When this switch is off, fat burning slows, insulin sensitivity drops, and energy production stalls. But once it flips on, even slightly, metabolism speeds up, glucose is used efficiently, and your body shifts from store mode to burn mode. Stay with this video till the end, because you'll learn exactly how to flip that switch naturally without starving or cutting every carb you love. Now, let's simplify what's really happening inside your body. Think of insulin as a delivery signal. When you eat, insulin tells your cells, energy's available, take it in. But if you eat too often, especially refined carbs and fats, your cells stop listening. That's when blood sugar rises, your pancreas pumps more insulin, and your body locks into a fat-storing cycle. Fasting, or even spacing out meals, introduces something called energy stress. Your body senses, we're low on quick fuel, time to use stored energy. That short energy gap flips on AMPK. When AMPK activates, your metabolism goes into repair mode. Glucose uptake improves, fat burning rises, and inflammation drops. Researchers call insulin resistance one of the biggest unmet health challenges, but the fix starts with retraining your cells, not medication. And here's what surprises most people. You don't need to fast for days to feel this switch turn on. Even a 20-minute brisk walk before breakfast can activate it the same day. If you're finding this helpful so far, tap that like button. It helps more people discover how to reset their metabolism naturally. Now, let's break down 3 simple ways to trigger your fasting switch. 1. Move your muscles. Every time you walk, climb stairs, or lift something heavy, your muscles pull sugar from your blood, even without insulin. That's AMPK in action. 2. Create short energy gaps. Try spacing meals 4 to 5 hours apart, or stop eating 3 hours before bed. That small fasting window lets your cells reset and start burning fat. 3. Eat AMPK-friendly foods. Olive oil, green tea, turmeric, and cinnamon naturally activate this energy switch. A cup of green tea in the morning or a drizzle of olive oil on your salad literally helps your cells hear insulin again. A 2025 study found that even simple fasting patterns like 16-8 showed major improvements in insulin sensitivity. When AMPK is active, your body finally works with you instead of against you. Energy becomes steady. Fat burning turns natural. And insulin, instead of being resisted, is heard again. If you've been feeling tired, bloated, or stuck, this is your body's way of asking for a reset. You don't need years to fix insulin resistance. Just small, consistent choices that flip your fasting switch back on. Watch the next video. It reveals one overlooked mineral that multiplies this fasting switch effect and speeds up fat loss naturally. Tap that next video now and let your metabolism do what it was meant to do.